mas ano sila sa dugo, parang mas kaya nilang gumawa ng mga ganong bagay, masasamang bagay. Kaya ina-guide namin sila sa mabuting paraan. So, yun ang namin sa daan.
I got what you're saying. So for you and yourself, like what's next for you? Like, cause you've been in gang activity your entire life, and now you're the OG of everybody. So with your gang, like, what are the principles and stuff that you're trying to leave for the next generation of gang life? And like with Josiah, he's getting older, and then you have your young guys.
Para sa akin, kasi ako yung tinitingnan nila eh. Parang role model nila eh. Para sa akin, gusto ko silang mapaayos. Yung buhay nila, pag-aaral, pag-aaral, pagmamahal sa pamilya. Siyempre, pangalawang pamilya lang, second family lang nila yung gang. Parang gusto kong matutunan nila yung mabubuting asal. Hindi na yung dati na pag pumasok sa gang, kailangan mo patunayan sa sarili mo na handa mo yung loob mo eh. Ganun dati. Parang, sige, gumawa ka ng ano, magnakaw ka, mag-ano ka, gumawa ka ng krimen, do a crime. But now is not. Parang, ano na ngayon, iba na yung generation ngayon. Kailangan na natin mas i-guide sila kesa ganun nga, parang mapariwara sila, mapunta sila sa masasamang bagay.
Got you. So with you yourself, I understand that for you, for gang life, it's like unity and brotherhood, right? Do you feel like the violence in the Philippines, being a part of the gang, is very high, or do you feel like it's low?
Sa ngayon, hindi na tulad ng dati. Maybe, yung 90s and 2000, 1992 to 2000, ayan talaga yung, yung war, yung mga gulo. Kumbaga, mahirap makapasok nun sa gang eh. Kumbaga, pag ano ka, pwede mo ikamatay yung kahit pagpasok mo pa lang. Ayun yung pinaka sa dati at ngayon.
Well, that's what's up, man. So, what's the name of your guys' gang again, man? If you don't mind me asking. I'm asking OG.
True Brown Style, kami yung TBS kung tawagin. Pinakamalaking gang sa Pilipinas.
Ah,
Kami ang pinakamalaking gang sa Pilipinas, True Brown Style. Yan.
so is that rooted
Lo.
from like I've noticed, at least me walking up, I noticed that it kind of familiarized with like East Coast Los Angeles gang life. Is that something that you guys' gang is rooted from? The style of East Coast Los
Yung
Angeles gang life?
yun talaga yung parang na namin yun eh na adapt na namin yung culture ng parang cholo,
Gotcha.
mga cholo eh sa LA. Pero hanggang talaga namin originate from Philippines.
Ah,
Wala siyang part ng root sa LA. At talagang nakuha lang namin yung mga style nila. Yan. Kaya ganito kami manamit.
yeah, I noticed the khakis, loafers. You know what I mean? Dark black shade out glasses. You know what I mean? Like I lived in Los Angeles for 12 years, so I'm very deep into seeing a lot of the culture there, man. So for me, man, it's a pleasure for you allowing us to come in, you talking to us, and just letting us know a little bit about your life. No, that's what's up, man. Well, we are gonna come back down and shoot a music video soon, cause yeah, we're gonna come down and shoot a music video soon.
Additional lang din, ayun. Sa mga nakapanood nito, ayun, suportahan niyo yung bawat isa. Ayun, sa mga kapatid yan, ibang gang, kapatid ng TBS, suportahan natin yung bawat isa.
Sa
Pag-hip-hop din, community, peace,
ng Pilipinas.
That's what's up, and I appreciate that, man. Yeah, guys. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, man. Thank you guys so much. What's your name, bro? Introduce yourself.
Jabin Kamasyon.
So what hood you from, bro?
Talban
How do you know Josiah, knowing that you guys are technically from the same gang but from different sets? How do you know him? Yeah.
Nakilala ko siya sa sa Zero Records. Doon kasi ako dati nag-record bago kami nakatayo din ng studio namin sarili. Tagal na ako nag-rap, 2012 pa lang. Nakilala ko siya doon kasi nagpalseto siya din sa kanta namin. Tapos tagal ulit bago kami nagkita, yung event nila yun, nagkita ulit kami. Hanggang sa lagi na kami nagkikita yun. Naging magkakulab kami, ganyan.
Tapos ayun, tulad nun, kagabi, last night, biglaan lang din nakagawa tayo ng kanta rin. Biglaan lang din. So,
On the spot.
on the spot.
That's what's up, man. I appreciate that. So, bro, where we at now?
We are here in Montal Band and we're gonna visit a friend of mine, OG Dance.
Okay, so is this another gang?
No,
Okay.
no, it's same. It's a same as
Same.
Blue Brown style.
Ah, got you. What's up, man? It's your boy August Summers, man. We out here in Kazan City, man. This episode is brought to you by 888 Apparel, one of the newest up-and-coming street brand wears out here right now, man. Make sure you guys go and check them out, man, on Facebook and Instagram, bro. Peace. It's good.
So, what's up?
Nice to meet you, bro. What's up? Let me see. What's up, my boy? Oh, yeah, let me get there. Tell me about yourself. What's your name? You know, where you from?
I'm OG Dance from Montalban Hood, ISD, Pamilya.
Ah, okay. So, how do you know Josiah?
Nagkakilala kami madalas sa mga event kasi isang gang lang naman kami, TBS, True Brown Style.
Ah. So how long have you known Josiah?
Almost 10 years
So
magkakilala.
so how long have you been banging for, if you don't mind me asking? Gang life.
22 years,
Shit.
TBS.
Super OG. So what got you into gang life?
Okay naman, ang buhay ng TBS is masaya naman. Basta nakaano sa pamumuno mo. Basta okay pamumuno mo, ang pamamalakad ng hood dito, okay. Nakikinig naman ng mga nasasaupan.
So for you, since you've been for a long time, hella years, were you here when the gang life was just a little bit more dangerous, like when you guys were in war? Because now it's pretty mellow and calm, right? But before, you guys used to have a lot of wars, right? Were you a part of that?
Ano namin, community, feeding program, inap drive, pagtulong sa community service.
That's what's up, because a lot of people, they have a bad stereotype on gang life and they think that gangs are all about violence. But a lot of the gangs, like I'm from Los Angeles, so a lot of the gangs, they're, like you said, teaching unity, brotherhood, you know what I mean? Trying to uplift the community instead of tear it down, you know what I'm saying? So I respect a lot of gangs because it's just a lot of bad outlooks on it. So to come to the Philippines and see you guys, you know what I'm saying? And you guys have your own tradition of gang life. It's a blessing just to be here to just witness it, you know what I'm saying? And for you, how do you feel like you teach? Like, what do you teach your young homies?
Ang simple namang ano sa mga kabataan, ang lagi ko tinuturo sa mga homies ko, lagi kong pangaral sa kanila. Sumunod muna sa magulang, bago sumunod sa OG. Bago lumabas ng bahay, kailangan, sundin mo muna yung kung ano yung utos sa'yo ng magulang mo. Saka, ang gang, nandiyan lang yan lagi. Pagka second option lang ang gang, family first muna tayo. Ayun ang payo ko lagi sa mga kabataan, nasa paligid ko.
So if somebody wanted to join your gang, what I don't know if it's okay for me to ask this, but what's your initiation here? Because I understand what it is in the States. But what is your initiation here in the Philippines?
30 seconds massacre. Initiation. Tas
Yeah.
boom.
Ah, same thing that Josiah was talking about earlier with the cigarette, correct? In between the hands. Ah, got you. Because I know in America you get jumped in. So that's why I wanted to ask. But that's what's up. So if you had to inspire the youth, what would you tell the youth if you were looking into the camera and you had to inspire the youth? What would you tell them?
Ang advice ko lang sa kabataan, iwas sa gulo. Ayun lang, sumunod sa magulang, mag-aaral na mabuti. Ayun ang papayo ko sa kabataan at respeto sa bawat nakapaligid sa'yo. Respetuhin mo ang sarili mo bago ang nasa paligid mo. Siyempre, sa music, masarap kasi music, yun ay kilala tayo. Andiyan ay karaptunan ng gang. Kasi pag tumano ka ng gang, andiyan ang music, nakikilala ka. Kasi kung saan ka na pumunta, iniimbitahan ka ng mga artist, iba-ibang event, nakakarating ka.
Ay, mga duwag ka, mga gago, kaya putangin na mo. Maangas palagi, maangas palagi. Maangas palagi, maangas palagi. Di mawalang angas. Hindi mawalang angas. Ay, maangas palagi, maangas palagi. Maangas palagi, maangas palagi. Di mawalang angas. Hindi mawalang angas. Pagalingan gusto mo ako'y tapos na. Ang yabang mo wala ka naman tol pang pusta. Iba postura ko talagang gusta. Mga propeta ang saksi sa bawat tinta. Mag-a-fuck ko what you say about me. Tangina mo dapat sa personal ka gumanti. Mga baby gangsta, mga fake, nagbabala sa video, hindi ko yan matake. Kaya homie, alamin, bago mang light, harap muna sa salamin. Pati ka na to, iba na ako dumiye.